this one right here, take to the kitchen, to that one extension I have coming off.
Bed bugs are gross. Like, I saw one and it was big and like red and it was so nasty. So like, bed bugs disgust me basically. I've been getting bit a lot, and the bites leave scars too. So like, I kind of been getting scars everywhere, and they're really itchy and really big, like bites like that.
Did you ever think bed bugs could happen to you?
No, never. Never. I always thought that was just a saying.
The benefits are you're able to penetrate heat everywhere within the room. With chemical, it's too hard to get to all those places you guys saw in some of those previous shots that we just went into. There's so much clutter, so much stuff to get to. With heat, we can monitor all those areas and get heat to all the appropriate areas with the monitoring system and make sure that we get to those temperatures of 120 and above and kill all the active bed bugs in the unit. With heat, we can do fast turnaround, meaning with most of the amount of time they're going to be out 24 to 48 hours. 48 hours at the most, that's for a larger home. But typically 24 hours they can come back in. With chemical, it can take 2 to 4 weeks for the process to work, and even at that, it may not be effective. So with heat and follow-up inspections, that's been our best results with bed bugs by far. It's very versatile in the fact that you can really put the whole system into a bed of a truck, a van. You don't really have to use a trailer system, so it's good for smaller companies that are just starting out as well, because you really don't have to go out and buy a huge, $40,000 to $100,000 system. You can start, small and add as you go, and that's what we've done. And now, we're probably going to go onto our second unit soon, just because we're getting more and more jobs now. This is the only heat system I've ever used, but I would assume with the propane fired one, I don't know how you could have a thermostat control, which, with the electric unit you do. So right now, if we're doing a smaller room, we can turn the thermostat down and then progressively heat it up. You just don't want it, the thermostat goes up to 187. You necessarily don't want to keep it there because it's going to heat too fast. So if you're heating too fast, you can go in, turn it down, and control everything and heat it progressively. We try to do 10 to 15 degrees an hour. So we're kind of leaving them stagnant. We don't want them running. Having them move a little bit's fine, but we don't want them spreading all over the walls and things like that. We have a large clientele base, so the reason we originally bought the system was to take care of our current clientele and any calls that came in. Since the epidemic has come along, the calls we've been flooded. So it's really a whole new division now we're taking care of. But any company that has anywhere from 2,000 customers, 5,000 customers, it's probably a good idea that you do some type of other treatment rather than just chemical use. I like heat the best. It's the best system we found. There's other things out there like freezing and steam. We haven't used those, but you have to use something other than just chemicals and take care of your current customer base. We found heat to be the best system, and the Chrome Locks heater by Valin